Hello guys, in the previous video I had taught you how to create an app in code.org and now I'm going to teach how to create a game in code.org. So I'm going to show you how my game works. So in my game there are two characters. The first character is wizard and the second character is the bird. So here the wizard will throw the stars and fireballs, and when the bird touches the stars, the score will increase, and when the bird touches the fireballs, the score will decrease. So I'm going to show you how it works. So to move I'm going to use the arrow keys, and when it touches the stars, the score had shown 1, and when it touches the fireball, it again becomes 0. So I'm going to teach you how to create this game. So here I'm going to go to this games and score and take this block called set score and place it here, and I'm going to go to actions and take the block called set background and place it here, and the background will be rainbow. And now we are going to set the characters. So I'm going to go to this actions again and take the block called set actor 1 to a witch image. But now the set actor will be a wizard, so I'm going to enter wizard. And now again I'm going to go to actions and take the block called set actor 1 to a witch image and place it here. But here this is actor 2, so I'm going to enter actor 2. And the actor 2 is bird, so I'm going to enter it as bird. And now I'm going to talk about the wizard, which is actor 1. So you should go to loops and take the block called repeat forever and place it here. And now I'm going to go to actions and take the block called actor 1 throw basketball up. But here the actor 1 should throw stars, so I'm going to enter star. And it should wait for 0.5 seconds. So I'm going to go to actions and take the block called wait for 1 second. But we need 0.5 seconds, so I'm going to enter 0.5 seconds. And again I'm going to go to actions and take the block called actor 1 throw basketball up. But here the actor 1 should throw stars, so I'm going to enter star. But now it should throw down, so I'm going to enter here down. And it should wait for 0.5 seconds. So I'm going to go to actions and take this block called wait for 1 seconds and enter here 0.5 seconds. And again I'm going to go to actions and take the block called actor 1 throw basketball up. And now it should throw the fireballs, so I'm going to enter red fireballs. And again you should go to actions and take the block called wait for 1 second and I should enter here 0.5 seconds. And again I'm going to go to actions and take the block called actor 1 throw basketball up. But here the actor 1 should throw red fireball, so I'm going to enter red. And it should throw down, so I'm going to enter here down. Again I'm going to go to actions and take the block called wait for 1 second and place it here, and I'm going to enter here 0.5 seconds. And now here the actor 1 also should move, so I'm going to go to actions and take the block called move actor 1 up pixels, and we don't need this block, so I'm going to put it here. And now we should go to math and take this block called random integer from 1 to 100. But here it should start from 0 to 200 pixels. And now I'm going to go to actions again and take the block called move actor 1 pixels and place it here. But here the direction should be down, so I'm going to enter down. And we don't need this block, so I'm going to place it here. And I'm going to go to math and take this block called random integer from 1 to 100. But we need to 0 to 200, so I'm going to enter 0 to 200. And now I'm going to talk about the actor 2, which is the bird. So we should go to events and take the block called when actor 1 touches actor 2 and place it here. But here it should be actor 2, so I'm going to enter actor 2. And the actor 2 should touch the stars, so I'm going to enter stars. And as I told you, when the actor 2 touches the stars, the score should increase. So I'm going to go to games and scores and add 1 point. I'm going to take that block and place it here. Again I'm going to go to events and take the block called when actor 1 touches actor 2, and it should be actor 2, so I'm going to enter actor 2. And the actor 2 should touch the red fireball, so I'm going to enter here red. And as I told you, when the actor 2 touches the red fireballs, the score should decrease. So I'm going to go to games and scores again, and I'm going to remove 1 points block I'm going to take and place it here. And now again I'm going to talk about the actor 2, which is the bird. And the actor 2 also should move. So I'm going to go to events and take the block called when up arrow and place it here. But we should get all the directions. So I'm going to take when up arrow 4 blocks. And I'm going to take one when up arrow and place it here. And I'm going to go to actions and take the block called move actor 1 up pixels. But we need actor 2, so I'm going to enter here actor 2. And the pixels will be 20. But here we need this block 3 blocks like this we need, because we need the direction for down also and left and right. So I'm going to take this block 3 blocks. And now I'm going to take another block when up arrow and place it here. and take the block called move actor 1 up pixels. But here we need down, so I'm going to enter here also down and here too. And we need actor 2, so I'm going to enter actor 2. And the pixels will be 20. And again I'm going to take another block called when up arrow and place it here. And take one block move actor 1 up pixels. But here the direction will be left, so I'm going to enter left here and here too. But it should be actor 2, I'm going to enter actor 2. And the pixels will be 20 again. Again I'm going to take another block called when up arrow and place it here. But here it should be right, so I'm going to enter right. And I'm going to take this block called move actor 1 up pixels. But here it should be right again, so I'm going to enter right. And the actor will be 2. And the pixels will be 20 again. So now let's check if our game is working or no. So I'm going to run and see. So I'm going to use the arrow keys to move the bird. So I'm going to touch this red fireball once. So as you can see, when it touches the red fireballs, the score becomes 0, and when it touches the star, it became 1. So thank you for watching this video.